Well, after a couple of decades of watching how higher education sort of gotten itself into the mess that it's in, the public absolutely hating the way that colleges do pricing, and now the way that so many small colleges in particular can't get enough students to apply, even though their actual price is quite competitive, I decided to start a project that hopefully we would bring transparency to college pricing. It's called Tuition Fit. It's at tuitionfit.org. And the idea is let's just go to the public. Every year, millions of students apply to colleges all over the country. They get financial aid offer letters when they get accepted. And if you know how to read those offer letters, you can figure out what price that college is offering that student. Well, college pricing is actually not that complicated of a matrix. It's just based on the academic merit of that student and the financial need of that student, and that's that student's family. So if we ask the students about their academic performance and their family's financial situation, then you know that that college gives that price to that type of student. You get a couple of thousand of those award letters, and you can pull back the curtain on college pricing. So what we've done is just say, go to the public and let's crowdsource a data set that then allows the public to see the actual prices that other students just like them are being offered at whatever schools they're getting those offers from. And that allows the public to start making assessments about relative value that aren't just to say, well, that college over there is better than this other college over here, but to say instead, is that college $20,000 a year better than this college over here? And many times when that gets into the conversation, it totally changes the way that people think about it. With this information, we can really start to talk about what's the ROI at institution A versus institution B, not just for every student on average, but for each individual student, because now we can see that institution A and institution B are offering two different prices. And for an individual student, the ROI at one institution may not be there, while the ROI at that first institution may very well be there. And right now, students don't have the opportunity to really make that assessment. And so they get themselves in all kinds of different trouble when they're trying to make choices about college. So if you want to explore it, you can look up tuitionfit.org. You can check out all the different stuff that's on there. The site and the tool is by and large free. If you share an award letter, it's free to see the data. And the idea is let's team up, solve the problem of college pricing, and then take back some power as consumers.